Hello class, I hope all of you are good. Class will continue with our English language. Okay, and in English language we were doing adjectives. In adjectives now we are going to do degree of comparison. Okay, in class degree of comparison there are three types of degree. Okay, first is positive degree, second comparative degree, and third superlative degree. So class, this is your degree of comparison. Okay, you can see there are three types of degree. Okay, what is the first degree? Positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. I hope you remember we have done this in class 3 also. Okay, so what happens in positive degree? Say class, in positive degree we make no comparison when there is only one thing and we do not compare that thing or that person with any other. Means there is zero comparison. Okay, we do not compare. Now next is comparative degree. Here what happens, we compare the quality, okay, or the color or the size, okay, of two things or two person. Okay. In comparative degree we do the comparison between two things. Okay, how many? Two things. Please remember this. In comparative degree we do the comparison between two things, two animals, okay, or two person or two place also, nouns. Okay, and in superlative degree, what happens in superlative degree? In superlative degree we compare with more than two thing, with more than two person, with more than two place, okay, or with more than two animal. So here you have understood now. In positive degree we compare no one. Okay, there is zero comparison. Then in comparative degree we compare, the comparison is made between two things. Okay, and then in superlative degree we compare the quality or their kinds with more than two things, person, animals, or place. I hope you have understood this. Now class, this is your table. It is given in the book also. Okay, so you will go through that table. Okay, here I have written positive, comparative, and superlative, which I explained you over here. Okay, so the first one is tall. Okay, so tall is positive degree, means here there is no comparison. For example, I can say Shivam is very tall. Now here I am not comparing Shivam with anyone. I have just taken one name. What? Shivam. I am saying Shivam is tall. Okay, so here no comparison, zero comparison. Now comparative degree. What is the comparative degree of tall? Taller. Okay, means here I am comparing two person. Okay, so I'll give you example. Shivam is taller than Akhil. Comparing two person in this comparative degree. Okay, so I am saying Shivam is taller. I will not say Shivam is tall than Akhil. I will say Shivam is taller. I'll use comparative degree because I'm using two person. Shivam is taller than Akhil. Okay, then superlative degree. Obviously in superlative degree, as its name says, superlative degree means we compare a thing or a person with more than two things or two person or two place, okay, or two animals. So the word is tallest. Now the boy Shivam, here I'll compare Shivam with more than two person. So I'll say Shivam is the tallest boy in the school. So here I'm comparing Shivam with all the boys that are in the school. So there are more than 2 boys in the school. Okay, so I'm comparing Shivam with more than 2 boys. Okay, so Shivam is the tallest boy in the school. So this is how you have to use these degree. So this is very important table. You have to learn this table and the table which is given in the book. Second one, scary, scarier and scariest. Okay, hot, hotter, hottest. Good, better, best. It will not be good, gooder or goodest. No. Many of you write good, gooder and goodest. Okay, but the correct comparison is good, better, best. Then little, less, least. Next, beautiful and wonderful. Okay, these are also known as syllable. Okay, so beautiful. Now here you can see what I have written. More beautiful. I have not written beautifuler or beautifulest. I have written more beautiful in the comparative degree and most beautiful in the superlative degree. Okay. Now class, here last one is wonderful, more wonderful and most wonderful. Okay. Also class, I can give you one more example. Powerful, more powerful and most powerful. Okay, so you can search more adjective and you can search more degree of comparison in Google also, and the rest is given in your book. So class, let's do one exercise based on the degree of comparison. Okay, I have already gave you one example of tall, taller and tallest. Again I'll explain you in this exercise. Okay, so point number 1, what I have written over here, Rohan is tall. Okay, you can see tall is what? Positive degree, and I have used over here positive degree. Why I have used positive degree over here? Because there is no comparison. Okay, because there is zero comparison. Here there is only one person and I cannot compare Rohan with Rohan only. Okay, so that's why I'm using positive degree. Now point number 2. With the same example, okay, with the same adjective, I'll give you another example. Rohan is taller than Sujit. Now here, how many persons are there? 2. Rohan and Sujit. Okay, so I'm comparing 2 persons, Rohan and Sujit. So which degree of comparison we will use? We will use comparative degree. Okay, so I have used taller. You can see taller is comparative degree. Why I have used comparative degree? Because there are 2 persons. Whenever we will compare 2 persons, we will use comparative degree of adjective. Also class, one more hint. Whenever you will see the word than, T-H-A-N, then at that time you will use this column, which is comparative degree. Okay. So, Rohan is taller than Sujit. Okay. So, I have compared 2 persons. Now, let's do third point. Rohan is the tallest boy in the family. Okay, so here I am comparing Rohan with the family. In family, is there only one person? No. Is there only 2 persons? No. There are more than 2 persons. Okay, there can be 8 members in the family, there can be 12 members, there can be 15 members or more than 15. So, tallest is which degree of comparison? Superlative degree, your third column. Okay, so I am comparing Rohan with more than 2 persons. That's why I have used superlative degree, which is tallest. Rohan is the tallest boy in the family. Now again, like I've given you example of hint over here. Similarly, whenever there will be any fill in the blanks and before that if there will be used article the, then after that only superlative degree will be used. This is another hint. Okay, after the only superlative degree can be used. So the tallest, or the most beautiful, or the best. Okay, so we will use superlative degree only. Now we'll go to the next example. This painting is more beautiful. Which degree I have used? Comparative degree. Than. You can see there is than word also, and I am using which degree? Comparative degree. I told you wherever there will be the word than, we will use comparative degree. Okay, that painting. So there are two painting, this painting and that painting. Okay, so there are two painting, means we are comparing two paintings, two things we are comparing. Okay, so that's why I have used comparative degree. I told you we compare two things, okay, or two nouns. Now the last example. This is the best ice cream I have ever had. Now class, this is the, you can see before fill in the blanks, what is used over here? Article the, before, okay, not after. Always see before the fill in the blanks there should be, if there is article the, then which degree we will use? Superlative degree. Also, the person is saying that this is the best ice cream that he has ever had. Okay, means you have eaten so many ice cream in your life up till now. Okay, so this is the best. So you are comparing so many ice cream that you have eaten in the past to the ice cream that you are eating right now. So that's why you are saying this is the best. Okay, so here the comparison has been made with more than one or more than two ice cream. Okay, so class, I hope this is clear. Okay, class, I hope you have understood the degree of comparison. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Okay, take care and thank you.